What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. How we all doing? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see, is my mic even on? Yes, it is. All right, perfect, perfect. How we all doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Hopefully everybody had a good day yesterday. Let me tell you, I took some crappy trades yesterday. I definitely traded with emotions. I missed a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup on SPY. And yeah, I had a little bit of FOMO. So definitely shouldn't have been trading yesterday after I missed that. Traded with emotions. It did pay off. I did hit my daily goal. But definitely should have been a one and done kind of day. I took multiple trades yesterday. So we'll review the setup that I was looking at and kind of going over why I liked it, and then we'll find stocks to trade, and then we'll go from there. Live. Tweet that. Bingo. Hey, 750 at a red light. I'll take it. Anyway, so the setup I was watching yesterday, like I said, it was on SPY. So if we pull up SPY, it was at like 9:39, I think the setup was. So if we're looking at this 5-minute time frame on SPY yesterday, we can see, there we go. We can see that we had this little like bull flag going on the 5-minute. If we go to the 3-minute, you can see it even better. Plus at this point, everything was looking super bullish about SPY. And we also were setting an orb on the 5-minute. So it pulled right back to that 5-minute 8 EMA. And on the 3-minute time frame, it bull flagged right into the 3-minute 8 EMA. What do we know? When a stock is bull flagging or bear flagging, typically it likes to consolidate until it comes to that 8 EMA, and then it likes to bounce. So I was looking at this and I was really thinking about getting into it. Plus, I'm pretty sure on top of that, there was a fib retracement right there, the 61.8% retracement. So there was so much confluence for this trade, and I should have entered it, but I didn't. I don't know why. Definitely should have. And as you can see, this thing just exploded to the upside. So definitely missed out on a banger yesterday, but today is a new day. We're going to find some more bangers. So if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 133 people in here and only 30 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, we need 150 likes. Anyways, so, I mean, personally, SPY still looks bullish to me. In the post market, all it did was come down to the 61.8. That is all it did. So if SPY can get above 383.27, I'm still very interested in the upside. Let me pull up the economic calendar real quick. Let's see, today is Wednesday. All right, so we got GDP estimate at 8:30. Initial jobless claims 8:30. Durable goods 8:30. Yeah, so we got a lot of stuff dropping at 8:30. So let's look at SPY and QQQ, and then we'll find the stocks to trade. Again, let me know how you guys did. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, to give you guys a watch list completely free. But yeah, so like I said with SPY, personally, just looking at the moving averages and market structure, I still think it looks pretty bullish. So if we're looking at this daily inverse head and shoulders, it broke above it. So here is our neckline, and we broke above it on Thursday, had the continuation yesterday. Yeah, we had some bad earnings with Microsoft and Google, but SPY's still holding up. All it did from a technical standpoint, retraced to 61.8, and it pushed right back up. So again, if we can get above that 383.27, I'm bullish. We could start pulling back more. If we pull back, I'll look for puts. But market structure with SPY, I still lean more towards bullish. And then QQQ, gonna delete some of these levels. There we go. So we did get our little 8 a.m. weird wick, just like always. But QQQ came up to the neckline yesterday. It didn't really close above it. Well, I mean, it kind of did, but not too much. So with QQQ, I hate how it does these stupid little wicks right here. But we're still trading above the moving averages. It really depends, I would say, on these GDP reports. where the market goes today. And if anything, I'll look for a bounce at like 277 on QQQ. It doesn't look bad. But yeah, still leaning a little more bullish. Let's see who reports earnings today. When's Apple? Apple's tomorrow, right? Let's see. Today is Wednesday. We had Boeing this morning. We had Meta today. Meta's like the only big one. Tomorrow we get Shopify, McDonald's, MasterCard in the morning. And then at close, we have Amazon, Apple, Pinterest. And then Friday, we have the oil names. Cool. So Thursday. Yes. Anyways, no, the 8 a.m. weird wicks, that happens all the time on SPY and QQQ. Almost every single morning it happens. Anyways. You got 4 minutes. I guess we start looking at some setups while we're just chilling. Apple. Got really close to that weekly pivot that I gave you guys at 152.7. 20 cents short. Anyways, Apple. Hate trading this stock, but pretty much right to that 61.8. Kept bouncing off of it. Got our weird little 8 a.m. candle right there. Apple, don't really care about. AMD, I mean, this is looking pretty strong. It came down into that buy zone yesterday. Or not yesterday. Good God, it broke out of that buy zone yesterday. It's been in the buy zone for like 2 weeks. So it's kind of sitting at my bounce level. Made the 61.8% retracement in the post market. I'd be pretty interested. Above like 60, 75. I'd be interested in AMD. AMD. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button. We got 200 people in here and only 81 likes. Remember, run it up to 150 likes. If you guys do want the watch list, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So, Amazon. This one looks weak. Very weak. So, if the market pulls, we are more than likely going to rotate over to Amazon for puts. Amazon. Got some squeezes on the futures, 10 minute, 15 minute. I know Boeing missed by like an entire $1. Oh, way more. Geez, that's terrible earnings. Why are they up? You know, if Boeing cracks 150, I don't know exactly what their earnings were, but if they crack 150, I'll look for calls. Boeing. All right, we got 1 minute till the news drops. Let's pull up SPY, and then we'll go back to finding stocks. What is going to happen? Get the news up real quick. Speaking of news, anybody know what happened to Walter Bloomberg? I miss Walter. Where's he at? All right, we got 10 seconds. Guess I'll pull up Twitter on my computer. What's it going to be? Just pull up the futures, actually. See how the market reacts. Let's see. Wholesale inventory 0.8%, forecast 1%, previous 1.3%. If you guys are following me on Twitter, I'm retweeting this stuff right now. Come on. Jobless claims, GDP, where you at? I'm refreshing, nothing's popping up. All right, yeah, we got the wholesales. Where's everything else? Bear with me, I'm waiting for all the news to drop. Is today Wednesday? Today's Wednesday, right? Did I look at the wrong day? Hold up. I looked at the wrong day. I'm stupid. I was looking at Thursday. I thought I was reading Wednesday. All right, tomorrow we have the GDP jobless claims, continuing claims. Yes. Look. Today's Wednesday. I know today's Wednesday, but I was reading this. Whoops. I don't know what they put in my food in Jamaica, but let me tell you. Cool. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 220 people in here and only 106 likes. Remember to run it up to 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. Yikes. Cut that. Nobody heard a thing I just said in the last like 5 minutes. Just ignore everything I said. For real. But yeah, I'm interested in SPY. I really like this SPY setup. It still looks technically bullish. So we'll see. Coin, I mean, I really wanted a swing on coin yesterday. I was looking at a butterfly, the 75, 80, and 85. That's just where the liquidity was. And it looked really good. We just needed it to kind of chill before actually taking the trade. And as you see, it exploded. So, no setup there. Kind of looks like it might head and shoulders. But bounce at like 72.19 possibly. Let's see the liquidity. Liquidity is in 75s. So coin will put a fat question mark. Yeah, what did I say? I don't know. Costco doesn't look bad. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Maybe a bounce at like 490, 458. We have some nice squeezes. Came right up to 500. I would say if it breaks 500, it's got room. Costco. Typically don't trade Costco, but decent amount of liquidity. Google, clippity clap. Don't really care about that. Meta. I'd say if the market got weak, Meta doesn't look too bad. The only thing is those contracts are like $900. So, rather go for Microsoft. Came down to a pretty strong support area. It's kind of just sitting here. But Microsoft, not really interested in. Netflix, still just climbing. I don't know where that 291.75 came from, but it's pretty solid level. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna trade Meta. Doesn't make sense to. Netflix doesn't look too bad. If you guys want to watch that. Nvidia right down to our 61.8. I'd be interested if it could get some momentum. Crack above 130. Doesn't look bad. Nvidia. market makers. QQQ still squeezing on that 30-minute. Roku don't care about. Shopify reporting a couple of days. Kind of just sitting, consolidating. SQ got a nice daily squeeze going on here. Broke above that daily trend line that we talked about. Got a nice daily squeeze. $61.8. If you guys want, watch SQ above 59.1. And then our baby Tesla right up into my resistance zone. Tesla had one hell of a day yesterday. Not too interested in Tesla. So AMD, Amazon, Boeing, SPY, Coin, Costco, and Nvidia is what I like. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Make sure to subscribe. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. And if you guys are interested in learning more about my overall trading strategy in a 450-page book, A through Z guide on my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. There's the link right there. I haven't heard back from Wiley yet. So I'm going to email today and figure out what's going on. So fingers crossed that I get the good news today. That would be amazing. If you guys didn't know, Wiley Publishing, who has published some of the best trading books ever, reached out to me and they possibly want to publish my book with the Wiley Publishing right on the front cover. So fingers crossed, that would be super, super dope. Anyways, that just goes to show that you guys can literally do anything. I'm 23 years old and I have one of like a major publisher reaching out and possibly wanting to publish my book. And I hardly graduated high school. So you guys can do anything. Let me tell you, English was definitely not my strong suit. And I wrote a whole ass book. Anyways. Cool, let's narrow the list. Let's see what we like, what we don't like. I appreciate it, Jeffrey. Thank you very much. Let's see. So AMD made that 61.8% retracement. Bounced right off of it. I would say if we can get some momentum above 60.75, we could trade up into yesterday's high. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Actually, no, we do have a lot of resistance up here. 60.75. I mean, the 20-cent scalp. Not going to scalp it for 20 cents. AMD, take that off. Amazon. Looking very weak. I think I will rotate to Amazon at the market pools. There's no entry right now. Might just be something I keep on my radar. I think Boeing's gonna come down. I was really interested above that 150 though. We're gonna keep this for now. See if it rebounds. Boeing SPY. Let's see how SPY reacts to that 61.8 because it already bounced off of it once. I'm gonna watch this trend line. SPY made a 61.8% retracement yesterday and bounced. I am still bullish unless we fall below this level. Also watching this 1 hour trend line for a possible breakout. If we fall below the retracement, I will look for puts. Boom, there's SPY. Cool. Obviously watching the futures today. As you guys know, or some of you know, maybe some of you don't, I got my main account approved for futures. So I definitely will be looking to take some futures trades today. Took a couple on ES yesterday. Pretty dope. No complaints. I can definitely see how somebody gets screwed on futures if you're not careful, but I like it. Good first experience. I was using one of those funded accounts, but I decided to actually get approved on my main account. SPY coin. I mean, going above 75.85 or even a bounce at like 72.2 doesn't look bad. Just really depends on what Bitcoin does. GTR fund is good. Good. Forex is more fun, but I'm a little biased because I've been trading Forex for a while. Let's see if this were to break above 75.85, 76.28. We'd have to go with the 80 calls at that point, though. Actually, no. There's liquidity in the 77s. The bounce doesn't look bad, though. It's got room. If it cracks, what is that? 76.28. It's definitely got room. $6.28 was a high over here. We got a little mini gap to fill. 76.63. Got an area there. Got a level right here. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3, 4. In between, there's nothing on coin. I lied. There's one spot. There we go. Yeah, I mean, coin can really get going. I have a few Forex videos. They don't really do too good. That's why I don't do them all the time, because it's kind of just a waste for me to even make the video, edit it, and upload it. I would just say I don't really have the audience for Forex on my YouTube. Yeah, let's put coin on. Coin. How many people we got in here? 235. I can guarantee all 235 of you are not subscribed to the channel. So again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15, give you guys a free watch list. Plus, I have over 800 videos teaching you on how to trade. So if you're not taking advantage of all that free education, I don't know what to tell you. You're definitely missing out. Coin looking for a possible bounce at 72.2 for calls, or a break above 75.9. Price targets equal 76.38, 76.63, 80.68. Got a lot of room. Alaska Airlines to buy another 52 Boeing 737 MAX jets. Let's see if that just affected Boeing. Nope. Yeah, I have a video showing how to use a ready aim fire. I just really don't use it too much. I only make videos on what I use. Coin Costco. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I mean, yeah, Costco can crack that 519. That's going to be pretty big. We have that nice 1 hour squeeze, 4 hour squeeze, a bounce at 494.58. Doesn't look bad. Only issue is it's getting a little overextended. I would prefer the bounce. Let's see, we have the 100 SMA is at, I think that says 502.29. $502.29. 50 SMA is at 503.28. Let's see, 200 SMA 512.91. I don't use supply and demand. To be honest with you, I don't even know how to draw supply and demand. Just basic support and resistance and my person's pivots. Plus Fibonacci when needed. Actually, that 519, look at that. So I didn't even need to draw that. This is a huge level. This is the quarterly person's pivot. This was calculated on, it was calculated that this would be a resistance on October 3rd. So 23 days ago. And we hit it to a penny yesterday. That's why these person's pivots are super accurate. Again, I talk about how to use it in my book. I have videos on it. So make sure you guys check it out. But that is a huge level. If we start trading above there, we definitely got the room. Cool. Let's look for the bounce. There's also a lot of support right here. Cool. I like Costco. Target looked pretty strong. Let's look at Walmart real quick. Yeah, all the retails look pretty strong. If you guys want Walmart over 140.50, I bet you Grizzly's going to be watching this today. I bet you it's on his watch list. Looks really good. But yeah, I like Costco. Cool. Costco. 1 hour squeeze. 30-minute squeeze. Looking for a possible bounce. 494.58 for calls, or a break above 519. Price target equal. No tick rule today. I only use the tick when there's like a major sell-off in the pre-market or post-market. If you pull up SPY, it's pretty much, it's stayed in the same area through post and pre. Let's see, price target equal 502.29, 503.28, 506.24. Bang, there's Costco. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Got 172 likes. You guys are doing good today. And again, if you want to learn more about my overall day trading and swing trading strategy, make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, officially on Amazon. So there's Costco, and then let's see, it's 850. Probably Nvidia. All right, so if Nvidia can start trading above 130, sitting on major support right now. $30.75, yesterday's high. Let's see, 55 EMA is at 138.03. $38.03, that's also where the 50 SMA is at. MACD sucks. TTM squeeze all day, completely different. Pretty much, I also talk about in my book why the MACD is and all that. You use it, more power to you. I just, through my time trading, it's not a good indicator. Yeah, I think we're gonna watch Nvidia start breaking below 61.8. Look for puts, but it does not look too bad. 133 is a pretty big level. It rejected it yesterday. Cool. Nvidia sitting on the 61.8% retracement. If it can get above 130, I will be interested in calls. Price started equal 130.75, 133, 135.03. Invalidation of the retracement, and I'll look for puts. Boom. Awesome. So yeah, if the market pulls today, we will look for puts. But as far as what I'm seeing with these setups, I'm still leaning more towards bullish. Could I be completely wrong? Of course. That's the beautiful thing about trading. If I'm wrong, I can simply flip and look to trade the other side. So we got SPY, Coin, Costco, and Nvidia. Let me tell you, this is definitely like a different list today. Very, very different. Yeah, SPY, it hit that 61.8, which is like the last resort for a retracement. So this is basically right now just setting a higher low. It didn't have that big of a reaction off of the Google earnings or Microsoft. So pretty interested in SPY still. As far as the technicals say on SPY, it still looks bullish, but if we start breaking below 380.5, that's where the whole bull case of this retracement goes out the window. We're not going to trade Boeing. No Boeing. I'll just set a oh, I'm so tired. I'll set an alert over 150 on Boeing. Anyways, here is your watch list for the day. Again, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I am not a certified financial advisor, so everything that I talk about, if you're going to trade it, which I do not suggest you do because options trading is very risky, make sure you guys do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. I am not responsible for any lost funds. So again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. And if you guys want to trade live with me, you guys can feel free to join the Discord. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, use any of my affiliate links for TTM Squeeze or whatever it is, make sure to check out this link right here. Whoops. Boom. That link. And then if you guys want to check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages, A through Z guide on my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, check out that tiny URL link right there. But yeah, that's it for today. So again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Everybody have an amazing day. I hope everybody's able to make money. And if